Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mathoys and today we are going to teach you how to transcribe text from an image on your cell phone. Before we start the tutorial, I wanted to ask you to help me by subscribing to my channel and giving my video a like too. This will help me immensely. Now we can start the tutorial. Let's suppose you saw a photo on the internet with something written on it, but you wanted to transcribe that text quickly, without having to copy word for word. I will now open my photo gallery and I will show you the image that I downloaded that has text on it. See, this is the image I downloaded, and in this image, there is a sentence written. To transcribe this text from the image, it's very easy. You don't need to download any app. You just need to have the Google app on your cell phone. 99% of people have it. Let's open the Google application, remembering that it is not Google Chrome, but normal Google. As soon as you open the application, you must click on the icon in the upper right corner where there is a camera next to a microphone. After you click on that icon, all the photos in your cell phone gallery will appear. You click on the downloaded photo that has the phrase you want to transcribe. When the image is opened, we can see that Google automatically detects the phrase written in the photo using artificial intelligence, and also allows us to copy and paste that text. I'm going to copy the sentence and send it to someone on WhatsApp. You can see that it works really well, and also remember that it can be any text size. So even if it's an image with very large text and very small letters, it will still be able to transcribe everything for you at the same time. This ends up being very useful. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope that I have helped you in some way. Help me by subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.